Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a week analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, right after retesting this major key zone for the third time over here, it came down with this huge bearish move all the way to retest this key zone over here, just like we anticipated in our previous weekly market analysis. We're anticipating, since GBPJPY formed this triple tops pattern over here and showed this huge price ejection, so there's a high chance GBPJPY might be coming all the way to retest this key zone if it makes a breakout of this key zone. And on that speculation, we got some really cool trades on this on the breakout of this key zone all the way to retest this key zone over here, which I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. You can see that video on the playlist called My Trades as well. So anyways, right after GBPJPY came to retest this key zone, it showed this huge price ejection. Now if you look closely, then you can see how GBPJPY respected this key zone as its support zone before as well, right around here. And now for the second time, right after GBPJPY came to retest this key zone, it is showing huge signs of price ejection over here, respecting this key zone as its support zone. So if GBPJPY continues to respect this as a support zone, it might continue going up, or if it makes a breakout of this key zone, then it might continue going down to all the way to test this key zone over here. Now let's go to a daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, you can see some more key zones that we drew over here. As you can see, GBPJPY after coming to retest this key zone, faced this huge price ejection and came to retest this key zone over here, which it's currently retesting as its resistance zone over here. So we found our resistance zone right around here, and we found our support zone right around here. Now for GBPJPY to continue going up to retest this key zone or this key zone, it needs to make a break above this key zone or this high over here to continue going up to retest this any of these key zones over here. In the similar way, to continue going down to retest this key level or this key zone, it needs to make a break and close below this key zone with further bearish move. So we need to draw some more key zones on a shorter time frame to look for some sort of a structure, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure. So let's go to even shorter time frame, like 4 hour time frame. Now in this 4 hour time frame, you can see the similar kind of zones that you saw on the daily time frame as well, and also you can see this beautiful downtrend line which GBPJPY has respected to gain all this bearish move all the way to come retest this key zone over here. And you can see these two key zones that we marked on this 4 hour time frame. Now it does look like GBPJPY formed this structure in between this and this key zone over here. So my anticipation for the upcoming week is that if GBPJPY continues to make a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, then it might come all the way to retest this key zone or this key zone over here, and might possibly be making a retest on this nearly forming downtrend line as well. However, if GBPJPY doesn't do that and continues to break and close below this key zone and start forming higher lower highs and into this support zone and makes a break and close below this support zone with further bearish move, then it might very well be coming all the way to retest this key level or all the way to retest this key zone that you saw over here, which is very highly unlikely that it might be happening, seeing all this price ejection from this key zone for twice right now, right after this GBPJPY found support around here, and again we're seeing this price ejection. So it's very highly unlikely that GBPJPY might be continuing to go down to any of this key level. But then again, we can't be sure of anything in trading, so you can just look for trades on the breakout of certain structure, just like we drew right around here in between this and this key zone over here. So what you can do right now, you can wait to see what GBPJPY does in between this and this key zone, and then look for trades on the breakout of these two key zones, whether on the bullish side or on the bearish side, in hopes of GBPJPY reaching all towards this key zone or this key zone, or in hopes of GBPJPY reaching towards this key level if it makes a breakout on the bearish side. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this trading view chart in the video description as well, which you can click and see where the zones and all the trend lines and stuff are.